So I'm going to be filming cooking with me. I'm not the best at cooking, but I'm gonna do a peanut butter granola mini bars, and the only reason why I did this is because my friend's mom always makes them for me and they're so good that I just had to make them myself. So let's get started. Let's preheat the oven. You have to do 350, right? Yeah. Start, okay. Ooh, in a large bowl, beat the peanut butter, honey, egg, oil, and vanilla until blended. Okay, so peanut butter, 1.5 cup. That's a lot. I can't tell you how hard this is to film. Like, I feel so uncomfortable too because my family's home. Sorry if you hear banging. Oh my god, my dad's working outside at almost 8 o'clock. I'm just like, why? Please, like, maybe like not. God, I'm so confused. But I don't know how I'm gonna get a 1/2 cup of this. Oh my god. Does it have to be melted? What? God. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, so I'm trying to get a 1/2 cup of peanut butter in here. This is like honestly really hard and nasty. Like, please. Like, how am I supposed to evenly measure this? We're honestly just gonna say that's good. Like, I don't even care anymore. And my mom's being so annoying. Like, she's literally like not moving. She's in that room over there, and like I told her to move in the other room because it'd make me like less uncomfortable, and like so she could watch her TV. But like, that's really annoying. I'm like actually kind of annoyed, but oh well. Okay, can this peanut butter, like, maybe not? I swear this is not gonna work. I don't know how to do any of this. The only thing I'm good at making is banana bread and sugar cookies. And my dad's gonna walk in any second from doing stuff. And it's gonna be so awkward when he comes in. I'm so scared. Okay, and then now we have to do 1/3 cup of honey. Okay, scared. I can't breathe, it's so hard to do. My mom's gonna be like, where'd all the honey? I didn't even tell Catherine I'm filming this, so hopefully she doesn't mind because it's both of our channels, so I hope she's not like, oh, you can't film without me. Oh my god, I used so much honey. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, why am I doing it with my other hand? Like, it's my bad hand. not going to be done for a while because I hate working with such sticky ingredients. Like, they never cooperate. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to do anything. Like, I'm actually so confused right now. It's currently Saturday and I'm not doing anything. Don't know why I didn't decide to do anything with my friends. I should have. Kind of concerned for my health that I didn't. Oh God. But it's fine, I guess. I don't really know. So I just had vanilla. I need to do egg and oil. How much for oil? 2 tablespoons. Where'd I put the oil? Oh, it's right behind me. Tablespoon. Oh my God, that's so big. One. 2. I feel like I should have maybe melted the peanut butter. Yeah, that probably would have been better. Like, this does not look good. Like, oh my God, what did I do? And 1 egg. Yeah. I don't get eggshells in this because normally my friend, like last year or a few years ago, she made cookies for one of our birthdays and she got like so much eggshell in it and it was disgusting. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I live on the East Coast and it's just like drastically the weather changed from like it dropped 20 degrees and it's scary because it's freezing in my house and I can't do it because like obviously my parents aren't gonna put the heat on yet. Okay, so I think we have to blend this up. Ugh. Peanut butter's like not blending. Okay, SMH. Love my life. Okay, it's starting to blend. Thank God. Mix, 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 mix. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. It actually smells really good. Like, I kind of want to just like eat this and not continue baking, but a lot of people in my family want to try this, so I guess I have to keep baking, cooking, whatever this is. But like, I feel like this isn't gonna turn out edible. But like, normally I'm a good cook. Like, my sugar cookies are so good. And like, you should see my contraption. Like, my phone's covered in duct tape because I had to try and like finesse it to get you to see the angles, but you probably can't, and I can't even tell if you can see my face or not. But part of me like doesn't really care. Okay, so combine the oats, brown sugar, and salt. How much oats do we need? 3 1/2. I'm so flexible. So here we have just like oats. I think I got the wrong oats because like these are small. Like, I don't know what happened. But 3 1/2. One. This peanut butter mix smells so good. Oh my God. 2. Oh my god, the jar is literally gone. What? Like, what is going on with my life? And this was like low-key expensive. What is my dad doing? God. Okay, 3 and then 1/2. I'm like, I literally just used a whole like container of oats. What is going on? Oh my god. Yummy, yummy. Can't wait to clean all of this up. Oh my god, it's literally down here. Oh my god. And this won't even turn out good, so I'm scared. Brown sugar, how much brown sugar do we need? 1.5 cup. Of course, the cup, that's disgusting. Oh my god, I have oil everywhere. This is such a mess. I don't know if just like this is all brown sugar, but this brown sugar is so hard. Like scared for my well-being. This definitely is like expired, but like don't know if brown sugar goes expired, so probably definitely does. But hopefully like my parents don't make me vacuum. You're so lazy. I hope you had to vacuum. Because I don't feel like vacuuming all the crumbs I'm making. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. My oven has been preheated for like 20 minutes now, so that's not bad. Okay, what's next? Salt. 3/4 teaspoon. Hopefully I have that because I don't know how to. You're in algebra. So I think you just do 3 of the 1/4. I don't know, math is my worst subject, so. My FCS teacher would hate me right now. She's like, never do it over the bowl. I'm like, your class is irrelevant. That definitely was like a tablespoon of salt, but the saltier the better, just like me. Okay, now it says stir. Okay, I'll just stir this up. So concerned. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This isn't mixing. There's so much oats. I'm gonna bring out this. Maybe this will save it. It literally said this much oats. What did I do wrong? I'm so concerned. I definitely should have just went and got Quaker oats, but I couldn't find them in the store. Like, I don't know what store doesn't have Quaker oats, but the store I go to seems to never have anything. So I'm just gonna keep folding. Like, maybe a miracle will happen. I want you to be happier. You know what I could go for right now? Like, the smell right now is like really reminding me of like Monkey Munch or like Puppy's Chow or whatever everyone calls it. The little like Chex Mix cereal. Okay. Maybe I am doing this right. I wish my friends were here doing this with me. Okay, this kind of looks right. But like the granolas, I mean the oats are really throwing me off. But fine. I think, okay, so now it says 1/3 cup. Where's my 3rd cup? Oh, yum, with the honey. I'm throwing up. Okay. So I literally, in my cart, I put mini chocolate chips. And then I was like, no, that's probably wrong. But what did I need? Mini chocolate chips. And what do I have? Not mini chocolate chips. All I have is dark. Oh my god, they all got stuck in the honey. Oh. I mean, it smells like what they are supposed to smell like, so that's good. Okay, and then next is my friend. You're supposed to do peanut butter chocolate chips, but my friend's mom said that she uses M&M's, so that's what I'm gonna do. But once again, she uses mini M&M's. What do I not have? Mini M&M's. So I'm just gonna use regular M&M's and hope for the best. Okay. This just don't feel right. I want to change. That's such a good song, Happier by Marshmello. Like, I thought he didn't sing. Maybe he doesn't. Like, I'm really confused because I thought he just like does the bass. But okay, I'm probably gonna add more. Just depends. This is smelling so good. So what shows are you guys watching? I've been watching iZombie. I'm on the 4th season and on Netflix, but I haven't finished it. And I love that show. I really recommend watching it. So you have to spray your pan with some Pam. Oh my god, I always thought Pam like was like 100 calories. Damn. Okay, well let's try and get this in the bowl. I know this isn't gonna work. It called for a 13 by 9 pan, which is kind of big. They smell so good. They smell like Reese's. I'm like not the biggest fan of Reese's, but you already know that. Oh my god, this pan's so big. They're gonna be like not big at all. They're gonna be so like thin. Oh my god, did I mess up? I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. Like it's only October, but like October's gonna be over soon if you think about it. And like normally I don't really like Thanksgiving, but I'm so excited. Probably because I have a week off of school. That's probably the only reason why. But other than that, yeah, like October I think is so overrated. Like, I mean, yeah, it could be cool, I guess, but like, to the spots where I don't really see many chocolate chips or M&M's, I'm just gonna them and just like shove it in. Do you think I need to add more like chocolate to this? Does that look good?
Well, it looks good, but I'd add more chocolate if I had it.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. More chocolate, the better.
What's wrong with that?
But like a lot, I folded a lot like in.
Okay, well then, you know what you did, so you're good.
I hope these are good.